So we're located here in Moselle, Mississippi, just a few miles northeast of Hattiesburg.
We've worked closely with GE over the years, from controls to upgrades. We had always had different hardware for Unit 1 and 2. This was an issue at our first outage because we got mixed match parts. So when we heard about the new advanced flow secondary nozzles, we were first in line to say, we'll give them a try.
So the advanced secondary fuel nozzle leverages a 3D printed fuel nozzle tip. That was something that we just couldn't make in traditional casting manufacturing processes.
We were really excited to see how they work, and they have performed so well that we put them in our other unit. So now we have 2 sets, and both of them are working fantastic.
So the big thing for us is obviously solving the problem. So I mean, being able to go in there and remix how we actually do all of our firing temperature so that we can get a little more stable on our NOx emissions with something that's 3D printed is pretty unique.
So this was the opportunity we had at our first major to actually have matched hardware for both sets, and plus have a set of spares without having to rely on turnaround time in shops to get our part remanufactured for us.
We were able to print and test 6 different nozzle prototypes on a single tray. So what would have taken us 12 to 18 months, we were able to print in 2 days.
The outage time was less than 48 hours, and that included the test run. Being able to take it down, get it installed within 48 hours, and we're back online so that we can give power to our members was really a big goal for us. We've got 11 member owners that we try to serve and give power to, and part of that serving safe and reliable energy is to make sure that we actually have units that can run. So being able to have some nozzles that we can trust, that we know are going to be able to give us our emission limits time and time again, lets our members know that we're going out and trying to serve them as reliably as we can.
We were able to demonstrate kind of all of the different features of the unit here at this one site. The quick installation, the emission compliant peak, the emission compliant minimum turn down, and I think it really brought a lot of value to Moselle.
Our partnership with GE is great, but they work really hard to get us the expertise we need, so couldn't have asked for anything better.